Some invertebrates live on land, and other invertebrates live in water. Some have soft bodies, and other invertebrates have hard bodies. Invertebrates have many different shapes and sizes, and most invertebrates lay eggs. All invertebrates share one characteristic. They don't have a backbone or an internal skeleton. Arthropods make up the largest group of invertebrates. All arthropods have an exoskeleton, which they shed and grow again. Insects are arthropods. Insects have 3 body parts: a head, thorax, and abdomen. Some have 1 or 2 pairs of wings. They have 1 pair of antennae, and all insects have 3 pairs of legs, which are attached to the thorax. Arachnids are arthropods. Arachnids have 2 body parts, an abdomen and a cephalothorax, which is made up of the head and the thorax. They have 4 pairs of legs and up to 8 eyes. Crustaceans are arthropods. They have 2 body parts, an abdomen and a cephalothorax. They have a hard exoskeleton, 2 pairs of antennae, and 5 pairs of legs. The front pair of legs has claws. Myriapods are arthropods. Myriapods have long, thin, segmented bodies. They have many pairs of legs and 1 pair of antennae. Which arthropod group does this invertebrate belong to? Choose. Which arthropod group does this invertebrate belong to? Choose. Which arthropod group does this invertebrate belong to? Choose. Which arthropod group does this invertebrate belong to? Choose. Mollusks are soft-bodied invertebrates. Some mollusks have a single shell and a single foot, which they use to move. Other mollusks have shells that can open or close. There are some mollusks that don't have a shell. These mollusks use their tentacles to help them move. Sponges are the simplest invertebrates. Sponges don't have muscles, a nervous system, or a circulatory system. Echinoderms have an internal structure called an endoskeleton and are covered with hard, spiny skin. Many echinoderms use their tiny tube feet to grab their food. Cnidarians have a soft, jelly-like body with 1 opening surrounded by venomous tentacles. Annelids have long, soft bodies with moist skin. Some annelids are parasites and live inside the bodies of other animals. Which invertebrate group does this invertebrate belong to? Choose. Which invertebrate group does this invertebrate belong to? Choose. Which invertebrate group does this invertebrate belong to? Choose. Which invertebrate group does this invertebrate belong to? Choose. Which invertebrate group does this invertebrate belong to? Choose.